Hey everyone! If you're stuck on homework and want a smart assistant to help, today I'll show you how to use Grok AI step by step to get answers quickly and safely. First, go to the Grok AI website and either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. You'll need an account to start asking questions. Once you're in, select the subject or topic you need help with, like math, science, or history. This helps Grok AI give more accurate answers. Now type in your homework question clearly. The more detail you provide, the better Grok AI can understand and answer it. After submitting your question, Grok AI will generate an answer. Take a moment to review it carefully. Sometimes it's good to double check facts, especially for essays or calculations. You can ask follow-up questions if something isn't clear. Just type them in, and Grok AI will refine or explain further. This is great for understanding tricky problems. Once you're happy with the answers, you can save them or copy them into your notes. Some versions of Grok AI also let you export answers directly as text or PDF. Remember, Grok AI is a helper, not a replacement. Always write answers in your own words and cite sources when needed. This keeps your work honest and learning effective. And that's it. Using Grok AI for homework is easy once you know the steps. Hope this makes studying a bit faster, and yeah, good luck with your assignments.